2018 Erwin Hymer Sun Lite Van 2 for sale in Omaha, Nebraska 68138. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2018 Erwin Hymer Sun Lite Van 2. This luxury class B RV is 20 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 2 guests. Powered by a Dodge Promaster V6 gas engine mated with an automatic transmission. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2018 Erwin Hymer Sun Lite Van 2 is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious Class B RV your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include, only 4,200 miles, great front cooking area with a 2-burner stove, microwave, refrigerator center, living room, television, DVD player, TV antenna, rear bathroom with shower roof, a CRear vision camera, windows and LocksCruise, ControlGrab, HandleRear, HitchPatio, AwningGas, water heater and so much more. This 2018 Erwin Hymer Sun Lite Van 2 is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. There is some minor rust on the exterior, but don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This Class B RV is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2018 Erwin Hymer Sun Lite Van 2 can be yours.